Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off profanity filter on Steam. This tutorial will be quick, just make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you will find this guide useful. So first of all, open up your Steam of course, and once you are on Steam, you want to go to the top where it says your account name, basically click on it, and then you will see store preferences. So we want to click on store preferences. Once you will be here, you want to go ahead and scroll down. As you can see, there's content filtering, and scroll down until you see community content preferences. And here you will see chat filtering. So as you can see, there's language preferences. All you have to do is just click on do not filter strong profanity or slurs. And you can also add some custom filtered words, or never filter these words. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you turn it off. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.